Yay! So what are we going to do today?
We are going. Go, Can. Go, Can. Stay here. Okay. Can. I just teaching her to listen because she don't talk really well. So.
Okay.
So we are going to what's inside bag when we go trip.
Oh, so we're gonna do. Also, you want to show your friends what's inside in your bag when we go
and this
to.
is me, and this is Cassie, and this is Candice.
Candice.
Yeah, that's okay. And we're going to start for them. We're going to start with our baby stuff first.
Okay, so show
This is
what's inside. Oh, okay, what's inside your bag?
and this is my baby's stuffy, and this is Candace's baby stuffy, and this is their milk when they are hungry.
Okay, Candice turn.
Okay.
Candice, show what's inside your bag, Candice.
My favorite is this.
What's inside your bag? Show it to your friends. What's that? What's that? Huh? What's that? Popsicle? Why do you have popsicle in your bag?
No, it's popsicle sticks. When you want to make them, they are yummy, yummy.
Oh, what else?
And I have something cool in my bag. But
Okay.
here.
What else? What is that?
This is my skirt.
Oh, your skirt.
My skirt pants.
Uh-huh.
My skirt pants. That is the pants. Okay, this is my skirt.
That's shirt. Okay, how about you, Candice? It's Candice's turn. What's inside your bag, Candice?
My bag is
Yes.
a coat.
Clothes, open it.
Wow. And this is my comb. And look, and this is my comb.
Okay. What's inside your bag, Candice?
This is my home clothes in Monty and Popsy house.
Okay, it's Candice's turn. Okay, Candice, show it.
It's houses, my clothes.
What is that?
Baby candle.
Baby candle clothes?
It's a dress.
What?
This is my pajama.
Candice, louder your
And
voice.
this is my pajama clothes.
Candice, louder your voice.
This is my pajama clothes.
That's your pajama clothes?
Yeah, and I want to. Oh, I thought this is pants.
Oh no, that's dirty. Look. Look.
Would be change. Yeah, but that's okay. I will just wear this. Okay, I'll fold these.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Candice, show me what's inside your bag. Do you have makeup there, Candice?
Yes.
And your toys?
Yes.
Okay. Show it to the camera. Okay. What else now?
This is my Halloween pants.
Mm-hmm.
It's really the super scary pumpkins.
How about Candice? Where's your pants?
Candice have always shorts.
You're always sleepy, Candice, in the camera.
No.
Are you sleepy?
No, sleepy.
Are you sure? Are you sleepy, Candice?
Look,
You wanna go out?
Look, hey, look, guys. This is when I fold.
Huh?
I folded lots of clothes.
Wow.
This is my pants.
Wow.
This is-
No, that's not a pants.
This is my shirt.
That's a shirt. Yeah.
Clothes when I fold. You are just starting to go back, and this is me. And when I folded clothes.
Very good.
Okay, that's gonna put them here.
How about you, Candice? Show what's inside your bag.
And then so my shirt.
Okay, put it out. Put it out, baby.
And fold it.
Put it out and fold it.
No, can. No.
Put it out and
This
fold
is
it.
my Daddy. Please. This is my shirt.
Very
This
good.
Is my coat. This is my
Show to
shirt.
mommy. Show to mommy your clothes.
This is my coat.
Where?
And guys, do you know yesterday vlog? We just make a video as we are baby yesterday.
Mm-hmm. And then?
And Candice shoot her video to her baby yesterday too.
Yeah. Where's your baby, Candice?
This is baby.
What's your baby? What's the name of your baby,
And
Candice?
my baby have my purple dress, my favorite color, and she have a cat. And Candice have a unicorn. And that's it tonight. Bye. Hi guys, this is makeup brush, nail polish.
What's inside?
Brush and lipstick and mirror, brush and my lips, perfect cheeks.
Oh, you show me your lipstick.
This is my perfume bracelet.
Mhm. What else?
And hey
The
guys,
brush?
and vlog. Did I say and tonight's vlog that look like we have our room tour. We said that's it for tonight's vlog, and that will be our room tour be.
Mhm.
And this is our mirror. Mickey Mouse. This is my other pony. This is my pony, Monkey, Elsa, Stella,
And what else?
Soap, mirror, mask. Guys, do you see my feet left? Teapot.
What's that? You show it to her.
Oh, bye. And guys, I want to show you something. This is our umbrella. And you want to see the pop out?
What's in the bottom there? No more?
And guys, bye-bye.
See you next time.
See you next time. And wait, and